What's up, Shatnatics? It's your girl Shakeira, and today I am back with another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this lovely no braid halo hairstyle. Now, if you're interested to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. So I am parting my hair into 4 sections so that it will be a lot easier for me to work with. Now I'm just parting out some small sections so it will be a lot easier for me to work with, starting from the point or the middle of my head to the circumference of my hairline. It's basically like cutting pizza slices, for lack of a better explanation. So now I'm just applying some of my oil concoction to the scalp, and then I'm going to moisturize my hair with water and shea butter. So I learned this little hack randomly watching YouTube videos that if you add oil to rubber bands before applying it to your hair, it will not snag on your hair, which causes breakage. So this is what I'm doing right now. Now I am combing my hair towards my hairline, and then I'm going to secure it with the rubber bands. Exactly how close you want your halo braids to be towards your hairline is where you're going to secure your rubber bands. Try not to put the rubber bands too tight in your hair because this is supposed to be a protective hairstyle, and it's really defeating the purpose if your rubber bands are too tight. So now I'm just twisting the ends of my hair to keep it detangled and soft. I'm just going to continue this step until all of my hair is in rubber band. For my head size and for my hair length, I am separating my bigger sections into 4 smaller sections. So in all, I ended up with a total of 16 smaller sections. If your hair is shorter than mine, then you might have to use more sections. If your hair is longer, you might need as much sections as I needed. So now I'm just going in with this Gorilla Snot gel to take care of any flyaways and also to make my hair look sleek. But I do not want to use too much gel, so my hair mightn't be as sleek as it can be, but you can apply as much gel as you want to. And I am also going in with my brush to make my hair look neat and flat. So I'm now going to start my no braid technique, and I'm going to start from the back of my head only because I want the front to look as neat as possible, and starting from the back will help me to achieve this. So what I am doing now, I'm taking my twist, my one single twist, I'm splitting it into 2 equal halves, and then I'm going to twist each half separately. So I'm taking 1 twist and making it into 2 twists. So now I'm going to take my 2 twists from, let's call this section 1, and I'm going to skip section 2, and I'm going to connect these 2 twists from section 1 onto section 3. One is going to pass section 2 on the top of section 2, and one is going to pass it on the bottom, hugging section 2. I am just going to continue this step until my halo braid is finished, and then the very last twist, I'm just going to tuck it on the section 1, the section that I started with. Please feel free to pause this video, rewatch it, or slow it down to grasp the concept of this no braid braid method. Now that I'm finished my halo braid, I'm just going to jazz it up a bit with some hair jewelry. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything I used in this video will be in the description box below as usual. Make sure give me a big thumbs up if you like this video and if it was helpful. Also comment in the comment section below and let me know if you like this video, and also if you're going to try it, or if you try it, also let me know in the comment section. And one more thing, I know you are already subscribed, but make sure you hit the bell to be part of the notification squad to be notified every time I post a video. I will be shouting out my notification squad, so make sure you're first in the comment section of my next video, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in my next video.